Tony, talk to me. Tony. Hey, buddy, you there?
Cassandra. How are you?
Listen, I need to talk to you. Let's be honest. You got nothing, right? You got nothing. This is why you haven't been picking up my phone calls.
Yeah. What are you going on about? I just woke up.
What? What did you say? Huh? Was it a no or a yes? I'm pacing. And I'm drinking in the middle of the afternoon.
Well, I'll tell you something right now. Nobody's doing jack.
Yeah, I know. The whole world stopped right now. The whole world stopped. This fucking COVID thing. Do I care? No, because all I care about is you and you coming in on time on your fucking...
They just want to pump these things out. I take my time. I do my stuff. This is 8:34.
Fuck this, man, Tony. I've been racking my brains thinking a brilliant guy like you. We're all wondering, everybody's wondering, but you're not giving me shit. You have to give me something now.
I'm not fucking around. When I make a picture, I take my time and I make the picture.
Tony, you know
Don't tell me I don't have any ideas. I'll figure it out.
I don't think you have anything.
I've got a couple on the burner right now, okay? I don't know. I don't even understand what you're tripping about.
Give me a log line, give me something, a dialogue, a synopsis, anything. Buddy!
Yeah, so you set me up with the crew and I'll do it.
What was that production designer's name again? Something Grace Yun?
Yeah. Just call me. Just call me later, okay? I'll tell you what it is.
Tony, you know I love you. Okay? You have 2 more pictures to do. That means I have 2 more pictures to do. But guess what? If you fuck up, you fuck this up, that means I look like a fuck up. And if that happens, I'm going to fuck you up. You hear me? I'm going to really fuck you up.
Look, I can't even go to a cinema and see my own fucking movie, honey.
I mean, it really has no significance.
It's locked down. They're serious about it. It's a motherfucking pandemic, bitch. Yeah, that's right.
There's no cure right now. There's no vaccine. The world stopped. It's at a standstill. People are, they're fucking going crazy right now. They don't know what's happening. But use this time to advantage. Use this moment. This is your moment to shine. Don't you get it? It's your moment to shine. So motherfucker, go out there and shine. Get your shine on, man. Get your shine on. This is your moment.
House. I got stuff to do.
This is why I'm an agent, not a singer.
I'll call you tomorrow. Bye.
Not a single human anywhere.
Hey. The Yeti? Bro, you gotta be kidding me. Yo, Yeti.
Fucking gold!
Go, buddy.
Hey,
buddy.
Forever! How are you?
Once upon a time in the West.
Gold, it's been so long. How you doing?
Dude, I'd say I'm paradise, but I'm not really paradise right now. I would love to just go to the cinema and watch pictures.
Shall we?
Oh, shit! Yes.
Yes. So tell me, what's going on these days? What is with the
The
vlog?
studio needs 2 more pictures, and I'm having a bit of a block. I want to go to a cinema, right?
Well, just go. Even if they're closed, you can hang out. You're there. You'll get the vibe for it. See? Look, it's a problem solver.
Okay, check this out. Check this. Okay. I just want to go to a theater
Okay.
and sit in the theater with a bunch of
And I'm going to ignore all the Muppets with the pots and pans screaming for the nurses every night because they're trapped in their boxes. We're out here living life.
That's true. Everybody's trapped in a box.
Bingo.
You know what? You're right. You're right. Everything is closed. Nothing is. No one's around. There's
All you got to do is go back to the place where it's happy. So go to the theater. Go chill. Go experience it again. Just putting yourself in that environment is going to break whatever creativity block you have, because you're going to look up at a marquee and you'll come up with 3 goddamn films in the first 5 minutes.
So you're saying to me, just go to the cinema, even if the building's closed.
Dude, if the building's closed, the building's closed. You hang out, you chill, you're on the vibe. Just go to the theater, man. Go to any theater.
People.
Take a moment.
It totally makes sense. It doesn't matter. I'm just gonna go to the theater and I'm gonna look. Even if I can't get in, I'm just gonna look at the wall.
Dude, it'll be inspiration.
In an empty parking lot. And yeah, Yeti.
Dude, you got this.
Thanks, bro.
Dude, it's a pleasure to see you.
Dude, I really appreciate it, man.
Be well.
Be good.
Peace, brother.
You gonna be around?
I'll be around.
I'll see you soon. Hey, yo, Yeti. Once upon a time in the West, man. Once upon a time in the West. Peace out, Yeti. Thanks.
Hey, Floyd. Kinda slow tonight, isn't it?
Yes, it is, Mr. Gold. What'll it be?
Well, I'm awfully glad you asked me that, Floyd. So I've got 2 20s and 2 10s sitting here in my wallet. I was afraid they were going to be here till next April. So I'll tell you what. Slip me a glass of bourbon. Nice little glass, some ice, bottle of bourbon. You can do that for me, Floyd, can't you? You're not too busy, are you?
No, sir. Not busy at all.
Good man, Floyd. You set 'em up and I'll knock 'em back. One by one. White man's bourbon, Floyd. White man's bourbon. Floyd, it seems I'm temporarily light. How's my credit in this joint anyway?
Your credit's fine, Mr. Gold.
That's swell. I like you, Floyd. Always liked you. Best goddamn bartender from Tehachapi to Tallahassee. Florida, that is. Or Maldives, for that matter.
Thank you for saying so, sir. If I may interject, sir, I thought you might enjoy your drink with some popcorn as you watch your new feature film privately, as you always do here.
Actually, Floyd, you're right. Quite right. In fact, you're bloody well right.
Shall we? Grady, roll the film.
Do you like ice cream? Do you like ice cream?
Dedicate one to the ladies. Summertime sip, babe, need something to keep you cool. Now summertime sip, babe, need something to keep you cool. Better look out now, though, Dave's got something for you. Tell you what it is. I'm your ice cream man, stop me when I'm passing by. On my mind, I'm your ice cream man, stop me when I'm passing by. See, now all my flavors are guaranteed to satisfy. Hold on a second, baby. I gotta put my banana in Dixie cups, all flavors and push-ups too. I'm your ice cream man, baby, stop me when I'm passing by. See, now all my flavors are guaranteed to satisfy. Hold on one more. Well, I'm usually passing by just about 11 o'clock. I never stop, I'm usually passing by just around 11 o'clock. And if you let me cool you one time, you'll be my regular stop. All right, boys.